So guys, today I'll be showing you if you have a two different hard drive, and suppose in the first hard drive your system is booting up and you want your second hard drive as a default hard drive to get started. So I mean to say, like, every time you don't have to press F12 and select the second hard drive and then go to the BIOS setting, you will do the default. So for that, first what you have to do, restart your computer and press F12 continuously. This is Dell laptop, that is boot option F12. Okay, so after that go here, enter setup. After that go to boot option. Okay, so here you can see this one, Windows S2, Windows 2, this one I have created, and as you will see I have two hard drive. So what you have to do, you have to click on file, browser, add boot option, the second one, click here, and there you will see I have two partition, one is 28 GB and the second one is 1 TB. So what I want to do, previously my system was getting booted up from this hard drive. Now what I want this 128 GB file. So both have two windows. This one Windows is not working. So what I will do, I will select it such a way so that this will get selected automatically, and this one I will do. So for that, what I have to do, I'll show you again. Go to file, browser, add boot option, select the hard drive from where you want to run your Windows, if you have Windows in both system. Okay, then EFI. Okay, then boot, I'm pressing enter. Okay, then boot x64 EFI. So mine is 64-bit operating system, so this one is showing. If you are using 32-bit, then I think it will show boot.efi or bootx32.efi. You'll select it like that, and they will ask you to put a name, like what will be the name of that Windows. So I have already created this one. Okay, so anyway I am creating another one, demo. Okay, so what is, I am already having a boot option named Windows, so it is asking me to replace. So I am not going to replace. Okay, I am going to keep it. And if you want to delete an existing boot option, so what you have to do, go to file, browser, delete boot option, go here, and now I only having one Windows. So if you are having two Windows in two operating system, two operating system in two different hard drive, here two option will be coming. So you have to delete the one which you don't want to get selected while installing, while loading the Windows. So that's it. Go to exit. Yes, and let's see it's booted up or not. So it is getting selected from the 128 GB hard drive which I have. Previously it was getting selected from 1 TB hard drive, so that Windows in 1 TB hard drive got corrupted. So now I selected this one as default, and here it is. Okay, thank you guys.